should make. Where is your mobile? You are making? Okay, good.
I don't know how to make.
Huh?
I don't know how to make.
What?
I don't know how to make.
This is good. Class. You make this atta?
Very.
Yeah, you will make 2-3 times and class it will be.
I make little. This.
And you can start with little small.
Little small.
This is good. Yes.
No?
Yeah, enough. Otherwise, you will need all. Even sometimes if you don't have roti.
Huh? Fresh butter. Like this?
Yeah, even dry roti.
So yan guys, ito yung ginawa ko. Yan. At ito yung ginawa ni Madam with potato. Where is potato, sir? There is potato or no?
There is little.
Prata.
Yeah. Little.
Nasa ilalim guys, pero konti lang yung ayan. At ito simple yung ginawa ko para sa akin.
Potato with.
At si sir kumain siya ng pickle. Ito yung homemade pickle namin. At ito yung galing sa tindahan. Ito yung gusto ko guys kasi meron siyang carrot at saka mangga. Mix na to. Merong lemon. Ito siya lasura yung what is it? Arabic?
Bambar.
Bambar. At ngayon, kami na naman dalawa na amo kong lalaki ang kakain kasi si Madam morning duty at si Jenny tulog pa. Ayan. Pero ang oras namin ngayon guys ay 8 o'clock. So 8:30 gigising na din yung alaga ko.
English it is called glue tree.
Glue tree.
Or glue fruit.
Glue fruit. So, ito yung chai.
And it is sweet when it is.
Sobrang soft niya guys. Tingnan niyo. Hindi siya crispy. Video. Yan siya guys. Tapos ang kinuha kong pickle ay pickle, ito carrot at ito mangga at ito parang skin din siya ng mangga. Meron din itong lemon guys, pero hindi ako kumuha ng lemon. Ito carrot, mangga, sobrang sarap. Kasi ay lasura, chili,
This is mango.
mix. Pero ito guys, yung homemade, walang asin. Very less salt. At dito, meron talaga siyang asin. Sarap.